D. Bathroom wall leveling. For leveling this wall, we used waterproof backing board. There are 3 reasons for choosing this material for leveling. First, because the wall has a large error in terms of squareness, ranging from 1 cm to 4 cm, and the base is concrete, making it impractical to grind. Using cement mortar for leveling would be complicated. Second, the original batch of plaster is extremely absurd and fragile, making it impossible for us to carry out subsequent construction on this foundation. Third, we wanted to compress the construction time, and using backer board allows us to simultaneously address both leveling and waterproofing issues, making it convenient for subsequent thin set application. So, we chose this material for construction. The construction method is based on our established guidelines. The wall has an error in squareness ranging from 1 cm to 4 cm. So there are 2 ways to fix the boards. For errors less than 2 cm, we use tile adhesive for bonding, and for errors greater than 2 cm, we use the backing board to create reinforcing bars for bonding. Some points bonded with tile adhesive also required pre-screwing to serve as leveling points, preventing compression during bonding. Finally, the backing board is fixed to the wall using expansion screws. The sides of the backing board are slotted, allowing them to interlock. The joints of the backing board are glued for better waterproofing. When applying the boards to the wall, I chose to spread tile adhesive on both sides simultaneously, making it easier to bond. A reminder here is that before the tile adhesive is dry, avoid tapping the expansion screws, as it is easy to cause them to sink. Once dry, there won't be significant sinking issues. The locations of the expansion screws are also glued according to our operational guidelines. In the dry area, the joints are treated with self-adhesive mesh fabric, and in the wet area, all joints are glued with waterproof fabric, which also includes matching accessories for internal and external corners. After such treatment, the probability of leakage at the joints is significantly reduced, allowing us to proceed with the subsequent thin set tile application. This workflow is suitable for areas where traditional methods are not effective.